Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Ethereum shows a little bit of weakness, hasn't really moved much today or yesterday, but it's possible obviously that this wave 4 has started that we talked about, and we want to talk a little bit about the microstructure that could develop here at the moment. Obviously a little bit of selling pressure, just slight selling pressure across the market as we've started a new daily candle. Now, I don't want to really talk about the long-term chart in this video. We can do that tomorrow again. Here on the shorter time frame, we still deal with the situation in which ETH formed a three-wave move to the upside. Wave 1, Wave 2, Wave 3. This pullback now could be Wave 4, with one more high possibly to come in Wave 5. I'm leaning towards this wave count until the structure breaks. So the analysis tells us when the structure breaks, and that would be below $2,400. Already below 2,450, which is the 50% retracement of the third wave rally there, I will start to assume that we might be morphing into a more bearish structure, which would be the white wave count. The white wave count is basically the roadmap that we are going to watch if the price breaks below 2,401. But obviously already below 2,452, we get a warning, essentially we've been watching now for the start of the fourth wave. Would be happy if this is the fourth wave. It's just not very clear yet, but there's definitely the potential there that this fourth wave pullback could occur before one more high can unfold. So that means short-term bullish, one more high, yep, but it needs to hold 2,401. Better would be 2,452. And then the fifth wave to the upside should take us to 2,734, or even better, 2,839. In the white count, which is the more bearish one, in an ABC structure, we should see a break of support, and the market would then head down into the support region in green, probably to around $2,017 next. But I'm not going to follow the white count primarily until support breaks. I always prefer to let the market tell me what it wants to do, and the analysis tells us the critical levels. So we've seen today here this kind of double top, Tuesday, double top. A first move down, which could be the A wave of that wave 4. The third wave did everything it needed to do. I posted yesterday that we have a pretty full third wave, or C wave, obviously, so you cannot really tell the difference until we get another 4-5 pattern. And the A wave, again, that might have been the A wave. Small B wave rally looks a little bit like a bearish flag or wedge pattern or something, right? So I highlighted already earlier today on Discord and Telegram that it looks to me as if the C wave could now be starting, and I think it might be doing that. Yeah, I mean, we have a bit of a break of the trend line there. This is, of course, a very, very short-term perspective, but overlapping choppy price action after a move down typically suggests another move down should occur. That could be an ABC structure. I would find that nearly too weak for all of wave 4, but this ABC could obviously be the larger A wave of a larger ABC pattern. That is always possible. But we don't know that at this stage. We will have to observe very closely the structure of the next rally then, to determine, do we get an extension of the ABC structure? That can always happen. Be aware that an A wave can simply be an ABC structure itself. An A wave can also be a 5-wave move. But it looks to me as if this is going to turn into a 3-wave move. And that always means that, okay, the wave 4 could finish here. But if the next move up is choppy and corrective, especially if it doesn't exceed the previous high, we're dealing with an extended ABC. So these are the two potentials I'm watching. If we move up further from here, I would not call that a wave 4 yet. So that means it would still happen later, most likely. But for now, I keep the door open here for lower. Seems like we want to work on this more extended ABC structure, but we'll see how it follows through. It would take a break below that last swing low here at 2,592 or 2,590 to actually confirm that the C wave is unfolding. And I'm watching specifically the area between 2,504 and 2570 next as a support cluster. Also, we've got the ascending trend line here, which would be okay if it breaks, right? Or maybe the A wave triggers it and we get a B wave bounce and a C wave down. Okay, that's my update about ETH. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.